Hola! Welcome to the latest instalment of our vlog. 2026 is a major infrastructure project on the island of Taveuni. Anybody who knows me knows that my background is in civil engineering and I've been known to manage very similar projects in the past. So from a personal point of view, these works will be of interest to myself. The proposed works are to replace 4 times road bridges by November 2026. For these works, the Fiji Roads Authority have brought in the big guns from China. So let's see how it goes. There'll be this initial vlog, potentially an update vlog, and maybe even a conclusion vlog. Let's have a look and see what £8.8 million worth of cones looks like. Look at all the, my word, all the concrete's gone there completely, and you just got the rebar hanging out. Got one little bit of concrete here, here's me, under the bridge foundation. And there's a car coming now, so might be able to hear the road plates when it goes over. Right, so this is the site of the compound, the China Railway First Group on Songulu. So they've been starting this for about a week and a half now, 2 weeks before Christmas, and it's a bit of a strange time to start, but there you go. Yeah, they're driving, cleared the land, obviously for their compound, had some stone delivered, bigger lorries, putting some sticks in to put their fencing up. So yeah, you got to remember this is an £8.8 million Fijian dollar project. It's about £3 million, 3.5 million US. So yeah, no expense spared. Finest sticks they could find. But they have splashed out on a load of cones. So let's have a look and see what £8.8 million worth of cones looks like. So this is one of the bridges that will be due for replacement. This is how we've known it since we've been here anyway. Last 3 years at least. Road plates which get knocked out of the way quite regularly when lorries and etc. go over it. You sometimes end up with a visible gap through. So yeah, it'll be interesting. Be an interesting project. Let's go and have a look at the underside of the bridge. Some cars going over. Shame we haven't got a lorry or a bus going over. Yeah. Let's go and have a gander underneath there. So this is the underside of the bridge. This is one of the Songulu bridges, Songulu 1 to 3. Yeah, the one with the road plates on top, the holes through the bridge. So they've got quite a structure to demolish first before starting the build of their new bridge here. So it'll be interesting to keep track and see what kind of bridge they build, what materials they use, etc. Yeah, this is probably the biggest project for them of the 4 bridges that they're doing, I would say. When it rains here, it absolutely horses through this bridge, so that'll be quite interesting to see how they manage that. There's a car coming now, so might be able to hear the road plates when it goes over. Yeah, this is the main arterial road for the island. So This bridge takes 30-ton lorries, 40-ton lorries with goods travelling to the south of the island. Don't know if you can make this out. This is one of the foundations for one of the bridge pillars here. It's completely undercut, scoured out from the rain and the river when the river runs. Let's get up underneath this section and have a look at what's deteriorated with the road plate. So you might be able to make out here all the reinforcing is completely exposed. Concrete cancer. All the reinforcing is rotting. Yeah, this bridge is many years. Yeah, many years ago it needed addressing, I'd have said, but obviously things are left to go here. Can't see where the road plates are because that's on the next section, which is buried, so not as bad. You haven't got as big a drop, but you can see what happens when it rains here. Just the size of the boulders and the size of the sticks that are sent down the river. Literally the way this one here is blocked up now, when it rains all the water just goes through the left hand channel. Hardly anything's coming through the right hand channel, so that's obviously putting extra pressure on the left hand side, and where the footing's been completely scoured out. So that footing there is okay. Where the water hits in here, it's completely washed out. To be fair, it only looks like about 100 mil Lee mix laid on top of rocks, so it was never going to last particularly long anyway. But in this section as well, look at all the my word, all the concrete's gone there completely, and you just got the rebar hanging out. Got one little bit of concrete here dangling on for dear life. So yeah, it'll be an interesting project which we'll follow over the next year. So yeah, here's me under the bridge foundation. About 1.5 meters, 2 meters back here you can get underneath, unsupported. Building inspector, Abby. Building inspector is not happy with what she sees. Car coming over the bridge now. Or lorry. Yeah. Who knows how long it would have left if unaddressed. So yeah, let's see how they get on. Freaky Friday threesome. She's a hottie. So whilst the works are going on, there will be a diversion in place taking traffic up through the estate. Please be vigilant and watch your speed for children and animals that may be running loose. Well, that's the end of another video, so please check out our other vlogs and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Vinaka!